This is Shake Race. Here we have the car and the remote. For now we're going to focus on the car. On top of the car there's an Arduino with a extender shield with a breadboard and this XBee on top for wireless communication with the remote. 3 servos, 2 are continuous rotation to control the wheels, and 1 is 180 degrees for the flashlight on top. The circuit on top is pretty simple. There's a breadboard with 3 servo connections here with power, ground, and data. 2 of the servos go to the wheels and 1 to the flashlight control. There's also a paper here covering 3 photoresistors that are in series to pick up any light that is detected. The paper on top is to prevent any ambient light from hitting them. Over here there's a relay, which when it receives power from the Arduino pin controlling it, closes the flashlight switch and turns it on. This is the remote. It is an Arduino with an extender shield on top with an LCD keypad shield, which will display instructions and your power bar once it initializes. There's also a XBee with an accelerometer on it to detect the tilt control and for you to be able to shake and charge it up. Now that the Arduino is initialized, it's scrolling through some instructions which can be skipped by pressing and holding select. And then you can hold select to charge your car by shaking. As you shake the remote, you can watch the screen to see yourself charge up. Each shake gives you 1 point, and once you reach 10 points, the bottom row starts to fill up until it reaches a top score of 100. Also, by driving the car, you can see your power bar deplete. So by holding up on the D-pad, you lose 2 points of power per second. So on the D-pad, you press up to move your car forward, and you press up while tilting left or right to turn your car in that direction. Also, there are left and right buttons on the D-pad that, when pressed, turn the direction of the cannon on the car. By pressing down on the D-pad, when you have more than 50 power in your bank, you can perform an attack which turns on the flashlight. Also, when you have less than 50 power left and you press down on the D-pad, the direction of the cannon will snap back to center. So here we have the cars racing. As you can see, the back car will perform an attack to try and catch up with me, and it freezes my car and prevents it from moving for 1.5 seconds, allowing the other car to catch up.